Hi, this is Tiffany with My Florida Dreams. Today we're at 7616 Desoto Drive in Ellington, Florida. This home is located in Colony Cove, a 55 plus community. As you see, we are standing in the eat-in kitchen. We have brand new stainless steel appliances, Samsung. We have a nice butcher block countertop. Plenty of cabinet and counter space in this kitchen. This home is a 2012 Nobility. It's a great home. It's been very well maintained. It's very clean. We're going to make our way out to the side screened-in lanai. You can sit out here and sip on your morning coffee. This home does have waterfront views. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. We are stepping into the master bedroom. As you can see, it accommodates a queen-size bed comfortably. We have a nice sliding barn door to the master ensuite. Master ensuite has a step-in shower and a nice updated vanity. Vinyl flooring throughout the home. Making our way into the large living room. This is a perfect area to entertain your guests. We have nice vaulted ceilings with crown molding. The homeowners are motivated to sell. This home is priced right. The door there leads out to the front patio, to the carport and driveway. Here in the hallway, we have storage. The guest bathroom has a beautiful barn door, stackable washer and dryer, updated shower, and a nice large vanity with storage underneath. Look how clean this home is. Making our way into the guest bedroom. Nice large guest bedroom. Water views and a nice size closet. Your guests will have privacy with this split floor plan. The second guest bedroom, as you see, it's been turned into the man cave / living room. It's very roomy. Nice size closet. Again, this home is priced to sell. Don't miss out on your chance. Give me a call. My number is 941-932-0752. Thank you.